I'm here to talk to you about how to join a Zoom meeting. The first thing that you must do is download Zoom to your computer, tablet, or phone. Go to this URL address in order to choose the correct download. It's easy and it's free. Your teacher will send you an invitation to join a Zoom meeting to your email address. Your email will include the date and time of the meeting. The first thing you should do when you receive the email is write down the meeting ID, the identification number. And then the second thing is click on the live link that you see, or copy paste the link into the URL address space on your computer. Once you are joining the meeting, a prompt will come up to ask you to join using your computer audio. Do click Join with Computer Audio. You can also click here to automatically join by computer audio when joining a meeting. I hope this tutorial helps you. Good luck.